Now we can discuss on in synchronous counter particular card as a mod counter. Let's discuss on mod 5 counter how it works. So already we discussed what is mod counter. Mod 5 means it will count from 0 to 4. If it is binary number, so it is start from 000 to 100. Other number it is again start from 0 and continues. So if you take truth table, first it is 000, so first count 0, then 1, then it count 2, then it count 3, then 4. This is the 1 mod 5 counter. After that, the repetition start and we are getting again the 0 and 1, so on. So this is the truth table for if you want to design some mod 5 counters. The starting we are writing as a 0000. It is nothing but start with 0, then we are going with the 001, then we are talking about 010, then 011 and finally 100. So these are the parameter can be obtained. That means 00, 001 to next 0102, 011. So last one 100. After that it is repeating work. If any term like 101 or 110 or 111, it is going to 00 only because these state are doesn't exist. So we will write a state diagram which are the counter is there that according to rule, whichever not there that we can write and we can show that that is going to the 0000. Next we can go with the present state and next state diagram. So in this table we can see that when 0 is the first state, then it will go to 1. When it is 1 it is going for the 2. When it is 2 it is going for the 3. When it is 3 it is going for 4. Now we know that when 4 it is repetition 0. The next state when 5. So from the state diagram we have discussed that 5, 6, 7 both are going to 0 because it doesn't contain any state. Because mod 5 only counts 0 to 4 after the number is doesn't matter. So 5 again we are writing as a all zeros, 6 also all zeros and 7 also all zeros in the next state. So this is the thing what we are discussing about state transition diagram to set up a table that lists all present state and next states. Now we can move on the excitation table, how it look like and how we can be form that. Again here I am taking JK flip-flop only. You can take whichever easy for you. The most method of counter either use T flip-flop or JK, D and S are not preferable. So if you go with this table, we know the present state next state. We are adding one extra term how JC and KC is work and how JB KB, how JA KB. So first we will discuss about this present state C, how it changes from C plus. Okay, we can call in our term this is nothing but QC and this is nothing but QB and this is nothing but QA. These are previous state of the flip-flop and next state we are calling QC plus and QB plus and QA plus. So first it is going with these terms 0 to 0. In the excitation table we know that if it is 0 to 0 it is 0 don't care. So we will talk about QC, so go with JC and KC only. Next it is 0 and 0 here, so again it is 0 don't care. So next one again it is 0 to 0, so it is 0 don't care only. And this term it is 0 to 1, so 0 to 1 is nothing but we can talk about the excitation table for JK 1 don't care, so go with 1 don't care. Similar way after that here all are 4 ones and all are 4 zeros. So 4 1 and 4 zeros is nothing but it is changing from 1 to 0. So all the cases it is don't care 1. So we can make that all the cases don't care 1 in this part. Similar way we can go for JB and KB. So in this case see it is 0 0 same state, so it is 0 don't care. Similar way it is going with 0 to 1, So 0 to 1 is nothing but 1 don't care. Similar way, it is going from 1 to 1 here. So 1 to 1 is nothing but it is don't care 0. And then it is 1 to 0. So 1 to 0 is nothing but don't care 1. And next state, it is these two are 0 to 0 only, and so 0 to 0 it is 0 don't care in these two conditions, and last condition it is 1 1 to 0 0 in the both the cases. So 1 1 to 0 0 is nothing but 1 to 0, so it is don't care 1 in these two conditions, so don't care 1. This is how JBKB written. Now JAKA, here listen this portion. Up to this we have either it is going from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 here. Here it is 0 to 1 and here it is 1 to 0. So 0 to 1 is 1 don't care and 1 to 0 is nothing but don't care 1. This is the similar operation next, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. So copy down that 1 to don't care and don't care 1. Now in the next case, 0 to 0 and 1 to 0. So answer is always 0. So 0 to 0 is 0 don't care and then 1 to 0 is nothing but don't care 1. The same case continues here. So you can copy down that 0 to don't care and don't care 1. From this we can say that how JC and KB and JBKB we can do the K-map. First we can go for JC. So in the JC part we can take this one as a QC portion and these are the QB and QA portion. In this we will take present state. So present state 0 0 0 it is 0. So on it is 0 0 0 1. We can simply write 0 0 0 then 1. Then we can write all they don't care in the next condition. So all are don't care here. So from this we can do the grouping. Here 1 present in 1 1. So this is 1 don't care is a grouping. In this grouping QC is cancelled out and QB and QA both are high. So our answer is JC is equal to QB and QA. Similar way we can cross verify what is going on in the KC. So when you go to KC, again we will take the similar operation QC present state and QB and QA. So in this case we are talking about KC, first 4 don't care. So make first 4 don't care and then all 1. So if you take like this, what we can do, all are present high. So there is nothing 0. So the K-map usually not required. So we can directly take the answer. So what we can do here, the KC portion we can take directly 1 because of here KC there is no zeros. So no zeros means we can do all the grouping possible. So we can take KC is equal to 1 directly. Now we can move on next part JB. So when you are going for JB, so what is the portion of this? Similar way we can write this is QC and here we can talk as a QB and QA. So when you are talking about JB, so JB is 0 1 don't care. So 0 1 don't care and don't care. This is the first portion. Then it is 0 0 don't care. So 0 0 don't care and don't care. In this if you are doing grouping, I can do 1 and don't care these together. So this equation comes like that. Anyway the QC bar here, so take QC bar. Then we can go with the 0 1 cancel out as a QB. Then 1 1 is a QA, take QA here. This is equation for JB. Similar equation we can do for KB. So if you take KB here, the particular portion we have whatever input and output we can write, it is QC and here we have QB and QA. So these are present state. When you are talking about KB, we can go with the the KB portion here. So don't care 0 1. You can write don't care and 0 1. Similar way we got as a don't care double 1. So don't care double 1. In this we can do these 3 ones grouping. First we can do these 4 ones. Then these we can do one more grouping like this 4. So because of 3 ones. Now when you take this grouping, here QC is 1 and all the other term remains 0 and QC plus, if you take this one here, anyway QC get cancelled 0 and 1, and in this case first one QB also get cancelled, so we will get QA. So KB is equal to QC plus QA formula what we got from Kmax. Similar way we can go for JA here. When you go for JA, see that there is some 0, so we cannot do directly. We can go with the Kmap portion. The first we can move on the similar Kmap as previously taken QC and QB QA. So in this case it is the JA portion. Here we have something called 1 don't care 1 don't care. So 1 don't care 1 don't care. Then we have 0 don't care 0 don't care. So 0 don't care and 0 don't care. So we can do only the one grouping, that is first 4 possible. So all the all the column are selected. So we can take directly QC bar. So our answer JA is equal to nothing but QC bar. So last one left, that is KA. When you observe KA, look at here, all are present either 1 or don't care. So there is no 0 present. So I can do all the grouping possible. So we can directly write KA is equal to 1. In this case KC and KA both are 1 we got, and other 4 we are done with the particular Kmap. From the previous step we got these are the following equation. So we will go with this according to the equation and draw the diagram. So first we will take this one as a JA, and similar way this one is KA and this is QA and QA bar. This is LSB bit. Similar way here we will go with JB and similarly KB, and we can make QB and QB bar. So this is the second flip-flop. Third flip-flop is MSB bit. We can call JC, KC and QC, QC bar. So we know that working condition we can make clear, all clear we will connect together and we will make this one to the 1 because it is active loop. Similar way we can make all the preset together and make it as a 1, and the clock pulse we have to short everywhere because we are using synchronous counter. So make all the 3 clock pulse together. This is the universe connection for any up counter, down counter, mod counter anyway. Now we will go with our equation. First equation is JC is equal to QB and QA. So we know that this is from QB and here QA. So both are present here, QB and QA. So we can take both, and the multiplication is nothing but AND gate. So take AND gate and connect it to JC. And we know that KC is given here 1. So give it 1 or VCC, or you can short to clear also, it works. Then we move on, JB is equal to QC bar QA. So we have QA anywhere here. Another one we have to take QC bar. So take from this QC bar end, take from this QC bar. So this is shorted and with the AND gate given to the JB. This is nothing but QA and this is nothing but QC bar. So according to JB formula it is done. Similar way KB is equal to QC plus QA. The same answer you have to take here, one from QC instead of QC bar QC. So take QC bar here and make one NOT gate. So you will get QC in this case, and anyway you can take from A from this end. So take A here and make the OR gate operations. So connected to KB portions. Similar way, the final one you can make that JA is equal to QC bar. So you can take this QC bar to the again to the JA portion. So because JA is equal to QC bar, you can short over here. And KA is equal to 1, make it high or connected to preset or clear, so it will work. This is the block diagram for mod 5 synchronous counter.